I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old...
Hey guys, welcome back to the Red Ang Revival show again. Off on another bike trip today, heading up to Ducati Croydon to test ride the Multistrada 950s. It's a bit more of a touring sports tourer bike compared to my last test ride, which is the BMW R9T, which is a lovely bike. Really nice sort of classic cafe racer style, mixed with a new sort of modern technology vibe to it. So it rides really nice, really cool bike that. Yeah, I've you can see behind me, I've booked a first class ticket to Croydon today from Victoria, which has set me back all of £12. So I'm feeling very luxurious in here. But yeah, stay tuned guys, follow along. Next up, Ducati Croydon. See you there. Right guys, so I've stopped off at a lovely spot here, just near East Grinstead, at an Esso Shell petrol station. Had a bit of a mare today. The GoPro's run out of battery, phone's running out of battery, data on my phone's running out, so I can't use maps. So I'm a bit lost. But it's all part and parcel of the YouTube journey and learning to get my gear right and prepping a bit more, I'll be completely honest. So yeah, but I thought I'd get a quick video in just to give you a little bit of content of this very nice bike, Multistrada 950s. I thought I'd at least get a few shots in of the bike and give you a quick explanation of what I think of her. Yeah, so it's obviously a lot different to the BMW R9T I test rided in my last video. You can take a look at that. I'll pop a link up. This is more sports tourer style. I'm thinking of doing some touring, so yeah, it's really nice. Like I've said before, I used to have the Honda Africa Twin. It's definitely more sport orientated than that. And it's the S version, so it's equipped with a quick shifter. It's got adaptive suspension with the different rider modes, so if you're in sport, touring, or enduro, it electronically adapts the suspension to to suit that mode, which is quite high tech for these sort of lower engined bikes, like you'd expect that on the V4s. But yeah, it's got some great technology on it. The adaptive suspension, cruise control, quick shifter, heated grips. It's really kitted out. So if you want tech but not ridiculous power, which the V4s offers, then this is quite a good option. It's plenty quick enough. I find it quick enough anyway. I think it's around 110 brake horsepower. Just a quick look at the full coloured TFT screen here with all the instrument dials. It's really nice, got lots of tech on. And of course, just a little start up of the motor, see what the engine sounds like. So guys, not the most successful test ride I've done, purely my fault, just from the GoPro. It wasn't actually the battery in the end, it was just something with the GoPro stopped working, so apologies for that. I'll probably put something, you will have seen a little short video explanation of the 950s Multistrada. But yeah, I've said goodbye to them. Just heading back now. It was nice actually. I was pleasantly surprised with the sorry, I flicked my hair back, with the the bike. It was really good handling on it. Much more nimble than I thought it would be. It's plenty of power as well. The main thing I liked about it was the suspension, the adaptive suspension. It's automatic, so it adapts to the road surface and the style that you're riding on, which actually is really high quality suspension on that. So yeah, that was one of the major highlights of it. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much all good. It's quite a vibey bike. But yeah, I think you get used to that. It's sort of character shining through. Anyway, hope you like this short video, guys, without the footage of riding. But yeah, stay tuned, and next off to Triumph. 100% off to Triumph next to test ride the Scrambler 1200, which I think is going to be potentially one of my favourite ones. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. Alright, cheers guys, thanks for tuning in to the Red Ang Revival Show. Till next time, ciao bella.
I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear.